Okay, number 5, it says Marco will correctly label the number 49 and 4/10, 49 and 1/2, 48 and 7/10, and 48 and 3/5 on the number line below. Which number will be located closest to 48? Look at the number line. From 48 to 49, we just have 1, okay? And this is 48. What is 1/2 as a decimal? Yes, 0.5. Thank you, Armando. 0.5. Okay, look at your answer. Look at the numbers that you have. 49.4. Where can you locate that number? All the way to the right. Somewhere over here. No, más allá. Somewhere over here. All the way over there. So cross out this one, which is F. Next one, 49 and 1/2. Again, it's all the way to the right, okay? So cross out this one, that is this one. 48.7 is greater than this one. Where would you locate the 48.7? A little bit more to the right, somewhere over there. So we just have one option. Now, if you have another option that can be less than 48.5, then you should divide. 3 divided by 5. 0.6? Yes. So then, this is closer to this one. Ah, no, no hay otro. Este. Sorry, era 49. Ahí está. This is 48.6, will be somewhere over here. So this is closest to 48. Questions? Okay, on number 6, we need to remember Pemdas. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication or division goes from left to right, whichever goes first from left to right, and then addition and subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right. When you don't see any operation sign in between the parentheses and the number, that means multiplication, okay? That means multiplication. So what comes first, multiplication or addition? Multiplication. Multiplication goes first. So first we multiply. 7 times 2? 14. A negative times a positive? It's a negative, 14. And then we just add 4. Different signs, you subtract 14 minus 4, and you keep the sign from the biggest absolute value. Good. Now, if you notice, it says fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Remember to bubble in the negative sign. If the answer is negative, you need to bubble in the negative side. We don't have it over here, but it's going to come on the test. On the benchmark, yeah. The benchmark is going to be in the computer. Number 7, a recipe of arroz con leche requires 1 3/4 cup of milk. Rama wants to make 2/3 of the recipe. Okay, when you need to find a fraction out of any number, the operation is times. You need to multiply. So 1 3/4 times 2/3 times 2/3. Okay. To start this multiplication, what would you do first? Multiply the whole number times the denominator, right? 4 times 1 plus 3, 7/4 times 2/3. How do we multiply fractions? Across, see. No cross, but across, see? So straight, with the one on the front. So 7 times 2? 14. 4 times 3? 12. You don't see your answer because it's improper. We can simplify. divided by 2, 7, divided by 2, 6, and then divide. 7 divided by 6, 1, subtract, so it's 1 and 1, 6. On the next one, remember the classification is whole number. This should be a W. Whole number, and then rational number, and then integer, and then rational number. And for number 9, you're going to turn 7 meters into centimeters, and then you're going to add the 18 centimeters, and everything together into millimeters, okay? On the reference chart, when you turn from left to right, the units, you multiply. When you turn the smallest unit into a bigger unit, you divide, okay? You divide.